time that I think I'm not talking a lot because I give you all information. It just naturally come out from my mind. My mind, I was like, okay. So my mind will like tell me like, okay, Nancy, tell everybody all the information and it helpful tip and trick. And then in the meantime, that my mind say, okay, shut up, Nancy, talk too much. You know, it's just like, I don't know. You damage, you do. You damage, you don't. So, but I just rather to give you all information as possible instead of not at all. So matte top coat on the top. So now it's answer all the questions for a lot of glitz lover that your clients love to do matte. Absolutely. The solution is instead of your, I say like getting Trifecta for you because it will be is the most common the clients will get, and then also adding on yourself with the matte top coat and a matte top coat. So then the client's like, oh, I don't want a shiny, I want a matte. I said, sure. So a lot of salons will charge different for the matte extra, but some salons it doesn't matter. You can do matte or you can do shiny on the same top coat, you know. So floating, if you know white top coat, I mean in a matte finish, it's still no white matte top coat. You don't have to clean all the residues after you finish. When you're done, it's done. Fulling on the top of the condensed glue gels and floating. You don't drag it because you don't want to pull all of yours condensed glue gels away. So I'm going to do again frame. You can get this frame like actually is I'm mixing it from between both kits. There's thousands of different elements is mix and match in there for you. And I'm go ahead and use this one. This is so adorable. I love this. Is my favorite colors. I don't know what do you call this one, like teal. What a teal? It's aqua. This one is perfect for mermaid. What is it called? This?
I guess that's not. Well, those. You know what? I can't tell too many.
Yeah. Well, whatever. It's just one of the pretty color. We're just saying it. Pretty colors. How about that?
You can even call it Bahama.
Bahama. Oh yeah. Bahama. No, it might be. It's different. Aquamarine. No, aquamarine lighter. Aquamarine, like you know that aquamarine, I just learned it too. Aquamarine, when it's lighter, is the most quality of it is lighter. The lighter it is, the better it is. So this must be a great 100, I guess. Is it? But I like the darker one. Or maybe blue topaz. I don't know. But anyway, whatever color you can call is the name of the color Jennifer, you know, or Stephanie, however you want. It's just, you're enjoying it. As in long you like it, you know. All right, so I adding again. First, I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm gonna add the frame first. With the frame will be my centerpiece. So now you can leave your centerpiece alone, or you can fill the centerpiece with other crystal piece. You can either doing with the heart shape or you doing with the round shape, however you would like. And we're gonna connect them together. And now we're gonna move in and get more on the side, and then now you can start adding it on the sides, and then so like make sure you get them tight close together and close tight together. Okay, and you can add beads on, or you can skip without beads, however you would like. I'm always saying it because you don't have to limit of what you can create. It's just, you know, unleash your potential, give it a try. And some of the amazing or gorgeous of designs that I got an opportunity to see. Thank you so much for sharing with me. I learned so much from every single of you every single day. And keep doing what you're doing, because we need a lot of people like you out there. So now I'm gonna adding beads between the crystals and the crystals. Like I place them right in where is a connection. I like Mika was saying it, like the joys of the crystal, which is really like perfect way to saying it. And between the crystal and crystal, between the crystal and frame. And then you can get like arrow. I think we have arrows on the kits here. I got some. Let's scoop it out for my. And then you can add right there. there's so many element and frame in there. Like basically just the frame only is like so much in there. And like it's not full 1 or 2, it's just a lot in there. So that definitely make your kids' worth as well. Plus there's so many others like frame. So I'm gonna get one of this right there, one of this right there, and you can stop right there if you want. I'm gonna add just one more. It's funny because I'm keep adding one more and adding one more. Very soon I'll finish the nails. Happy with this. We are going to definitely key it for 60 seconds. Get a piece of, you know, paper towel, wipe it up on the edges, or lint-free wipe. Happy. We are going to key this beauty for 60 seconds.